Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for June the 17th, brought to you today by Senior Editor Matt Dennis. In our top news story, Allergan agreed to acquire Kythera Pharmaceuticals under a cash and stock transaction valued at $75 per share, or approximately $2.1 billion. As part of the deal, Allergan will gain Kythera's Kybella, which was approved earlier this year by the FDA for the treatment of adults with moderate to severe submental fat. In addition, GlaxoSmithKline will invest $95 million in the launch of the Altius Institute for Biomedical Sciences in an effort to understand how a cell's operating system functions in health and disease. Lon Cardon, Senior Vice President of Alternative Discovery and Development, said we are aiming for transformative outcomes that could improve our ability to bring innovative and more effective new medicines to patients. Also featured, study data published in JAMA indicate that most patients with uncomplicated acute appendicitis can be treated with antibiotics rather than having to undergo surgery. An accompanying editorial noted, with development of more precise diagnostic capabilities like CT and effective broad-spectrum antibiotics, appendectomy may be unnecessary for uncomplicated appendicitis. In other news, results showed that Synergy Pharmaceuticals' plecanatide met the main goal of a Phase 3 study in adults with chronic idiopathic constipation. The drug maker anticipates data from a second trial in the third quarter, with plans for an FDA filing in the fourth quarter. And finally, Cipla expects sales from its respiratory drug portfolio to more than double by 2020 as it pushes into developed markets. The company remains on track for the launch of its asthma therapy Seroflo, which is a generic version of GlaxoSmithKline's Advair. To read these and other stories in full, visit FirstWordPharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.